Ready? 3, 2, 1. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kello. What? If you read the intro, you know what this video is about. We're bringing you another unboxing of another Gourmia Air Fryer. So if you saw our last video, previously we reviewed a Gourmia Air Fryer. So this is the Costco version 2 of this product, and I think you guys might like it. We haven't seen this yet. We're gonna unbox it here and show you. Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's go. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you hit that notification bell button, you'll never miss this face. Let's go to the unboxing. Oh man, you know they come here for this. Alright, so let's get to the good stuff. So here we go. We already cut this baby open. Here we have, by the way, I like this because this has Cat Cora's name on it, and I'm a huge fan of Iron Chef. Cat Cora, I love you. I love you, Cat. Your food is amazing. All right, so here we go. We're gonna open this baby up. All right. Ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, so very nice protective case. See, that's how you do it. Very nice and light. Let's pull this baby out. Okay, let's turn it around. It is, I have to say, it is a big device. Remember, it's 5.7 liters, 6 quarts. So, wow, nice.
It is a big box. This is where we will fast motion. Wow, look at this.
Look at this. First of all, I love the stainless steel look.
Yes.
I think it's very nice and classical for any kitchen. It is a very big machine, but that's because of the 6 quart size.
I mean, when you're gonna fry chickens and those big items, you need something that can fit a family of 4, family of 5. So I think this product here looks pretty nice. I like that it looks like my refrigerator. Alright, so we're gonna take the tapes out from the side, basically, because it comes pre-packaged.
Yeah. So inside, it should have a couple of little accessories that go along with it. Okay, here we go. Wow, pretty nice, pretty big. All right, casing. Inside, it has the little rack, 2 layer items inside. Not 1, but 2 crisper trays. So these are the ones that you're gonna layer down and put the items in.
So basically, you put. Do you use both though?
You can use both, depending on what you're gonna make. You know, as you mentioned, this is a family kind of size air fryer, so we want to do that. According to the box, this says you can use about 80% oil, which means, you know, you have to add a little bit of oil to all these things. So, but
so less. Just to give you a little perspective of how big this thing is, you can actually fry my whole head in the thing. So
that's not something anybody wants to taste.
You know. Bang him in the head. Bang him in the head.
Okay.
The traditional Gourmia Air Fryer obviously has a grill in the top, if you can see there, where it fries all your foods with air. That's one concept I never understood, but okay. We'll leave that for another day.
The idea is that it circulates air rather than having the item sit in oil, which means that it's just grease going inside. This actually, the air is gonna push down all the fat, strain it right from these devices. So we shall put it to test.
All right, let's plug this bad baby up and see what it looks like.
Let's do that.
All right, so as you can see, the Gourmia Air Fryer comes with the cooking manual and the handbook, the handy dandy handbook. The last time we really didn't use it, but this time we will pay attention to the instructions, obviously. And also within the grill, you actually have this piece, which looks like it's a
skewers for making like shish kebabs, things like that. So yeah, pretty cool.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah. Thank you everyone for watching. We really appreciate you. Stay tuned for the full review coming up.